equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the motherboard of your HP Victus 16. Today, we'll cover everything from the tools you need to the step-by-step process of disassembly and repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 to 12 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's essential to address them. For cleaning, use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that may have accumulated on the motherboard. This can help improve performance and prevent overheating. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of traveling. Next, check the RAM and other connections on the motherboard. Ensure that they are securely seated. If you need to replace any components, make sure to note the specifications required for your HP Victus 16. Once you've completed your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that all components are correctly connected and that there are no leftover screws. If everything looks good, reconnect the battery and power on your device. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have all the information you need before proceeding with any repairs. Finally, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. With our services, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your HP Victus 16 repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.